Hi, fourth graders. We've already been working on making area models on Google Slides, and we are continuing to do that. But today we are going to do a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, which isn't going to look all that different from what we've been doing. To start off, we can go ahead and insert. We could insert our text box or our table first. We're going to go ahead and insert our text box first. It's always a little bit too long, so I'm going to shorten it down. And in here, I'm going to put my decomposed number. So I'm multiplying 2,596 times 6. So to decompose 2,596, it would be 2,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 6. I'm going to mess with that a little bit more later after I insert my table. So next I will insert table. I do have 4 digits in this number, so I'm going to need 4 boxes in my table. A 4 by 1 looking like this. I will click it. My table is too long. Shorten it down, and I'm going to make it a little bit wider so I can fit my numbers in it to fit inside our gray rectangle right here. All right, something like this, and then I'm going to make my numbers fit on top, either using the space bar or the tab bar. My 2000s on top of the first box, 500 on top of my second box, 90 and 6 on top of my last box. Oops. Maybe need to extend that a little bit. All right, something that you're going to have to play around with, which is perfectly fine. So it should look something like this on top of my area model. And then I will insert one more text box. Make this one much smaller because it's going to go to my left, where I'm going to include my second factor, because I'm multiplying all of this by 6. And you are more than welcome to change your font size. I'm actually okay with 14 right here, so I'm going to leave it like this. And then in this box, I know I'm going to multiply 2,000 times 6, which equals, well, if I know that 6 times 2 is 12, and I add my zeros, 12,000. Remember, our numbers are getting really big when we're doing 4 by 1s. In this box, I'm going to multiply 500 times 6. I know that 5 times 6 is 30, and I have 2 more zeros. I can go back and add my comma since I know where it goes now. Third box, I'm going to do 90 times 6. I know that 9 times 6 is 54, and I have a 0. The 540, and last I will do 6 times 6, which I know is 36. In my last step, I will add one last text box with my insert button, and down below I will start adding 12,000 plus 3,000 plus 540 plus 36. And when I add that, you're more than welcome to add this on paper, but then when you come up with your product for 2,596 times 6, I would get 15,567, and then I'm done. So after you're done with this practice one, since you may need some more practice making area models, you're going to go to the next slide and try the next one on your own.